Here's the audio of the knocking they caught.
Was the content and money at my expense and my mental health.
So now what you guys are doing is using the submarine finding the Titanic to clickbait me into trolling me with my ex's clips. When will this end? Like, it's just genuinely starting to actually get old now. Nobody laughs at it anymore. It's ridiculous. Nobody finds this funny anymore. It's like, it's old news, dude. Genuinely, there's a problem in the world right now with the Titanic and a submarine, and you're baiting me to react to this shit, bro. Stop. It's corny. It's not funny anymore.